My dear students, hope you all are fine. Today also we will continue the class with problem sums based on multiplication. Today I am starting with sum number 11. Let me read the sum. The cost of a doll is rupees 150 and the cost of a pen is rupees 75. Bidhi bought 4 dolls and a dozen pens. How much did she spend in all? Now, the cost of a doll. A doll means how many doll? One doll. The cost of one doll is rupees 150. And Bidhi bought how many dolls? 4 dolls. So at first, we have to find out the cost of 4 dolls. So we will write amount spent for buying 4 dolls is equal to rupees 150 multiplied by 4. 4 is 4 dolls and cost of 1 doll is rupees 150. You will do the multiplication in the rough and then write down the product there. The answer is rupees 600. Now we will find out the cost of a dozen pens. Now a dozen means how many in units? That is 12. A dozen equal to 12. So we will find out the cost of 12 pens. And what is the cost of one pen? The cost of a pen. A pen means one pen. The cost of one pen is rupees 75. And we will find out the cost of 12 pens. For 12 pens, amount spent for buying 12 pens equal to rupees 75 multiplied by 12. You will do the multiplication in the rough and then write down the product here, that is rupees 900. Now the question is, how much did she spend in all? So for buying 4 dolls and 12 pens, Bidhi spent the money. So in all means we have to find out the total. To find out the total amount, we will add them. The cost of 4 dolls and the cost of 12 pens. So we will write, therefore, total amount spent is equal to rupees 600 plus rupees 900. 600 is the cost of 4 dolls and 900 is the cost of 12 pens. After adding them, we got 1500. So what will be the answer? Follow the question, that is how much did she spend in all? So the answer will be Bidhi spent rupees 1500 in all. Now we will do sum number 12. Let me read it. Bibha wrote 15 pages in a day. If each page has 24 lines, how many lines did Bibha write? Bibha wrote how many pages in a day? A day means one day. In one day Bibha wrote 15 pages. But follow the question, what we have to find out. How many lines did Bibha write? So number of total lines Bibha wrote, that we have to find out. So in one page, how many lines Bibha wrote? 24 lines. Look at the sum. If each page has 24 lines, that means Bibha wrote in one page 24 lines. So we will write number of lines Bibha wrote in one page is equal to 24. And how many total pages Bibha wrote? 15 pages. So we have to find out in 15 pages how many lines Bibha wrote. So the second line will be number of lines Bibha wrote in 15 pages equal to 24 multiplied by 15. We will do the multiplication in the rough and the answer is 360. Then we will write, therefore total number of lines Bibha wrote is equal to 360. And the answer will be that how many lines did Bibha write? So the answer will be Bibha wrote 360 lines. Sum number 13 is cancelled. Now we will go to sum number 14. Peter spends rupees 75 on food every day. How much does he spend in the month of August? Now children, how many days are there in the month of August? There are 31 days in the month of August. So at first we will write August is equal to 31 days. And Peter spends rupees 75 on food every day. Every day means one day. In one day Peter spends rupees 75. We have to find out how much Peter spends in 31 days. So at first we will write in one day Peter spends on food is equal to rupees 75. Then we will write in 31 days Peter spends on food is equal to rupees 75 multiplied by 31. We will do the multiplication in the rough and the answer is rupees 2325. Therefore, total amount Peter spends in 31 days rupees 2325. The question is, how much does he spend in the month of August? So we will write down the answer. Peter spends rupees 2325 in the month of August. Thank you children. Today up to this, and this is the end of chapter 1. Now I am giving a weekly worksheet in the PDF form. You will download it and you will do the sums at home.